Hi there and thanks for joining me. So in today's videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my views on where we are in the crypto market and my views on whether we have reached the bottom and is the crypto market going to recover. And I've got some very interesting views about that because there's a huge event that's coming in about 2 months that could change everything for the crypto market. So stay for that. But before I get into the video, everything I say in the video should not be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and if you want to invest in crypto, please do your own research, due diligence, and invest wisely. And also, before I carry on, Teeka Tiwari is one of the top crypto experts in the world, is predicting a crypto panic. And now this isn't going to be a selling crypto panic, it's going to be a buying crypto panic. And it's the most important warning of his career because he thinks a lot of people are going to get sideswiped if they don't know this. And he says this huge crypto panic is going to happen on around September 19th. And what Teeka, now I know all about this, it's going to be huge. Yeah, this is massive. You don't want to miss this because you want to be in the know. So if you want to watch Teeka's interview that he's done about the coming crypto panic, I'm going to link to this page down in the description. Just come to this page, click this button and enter your email address and you can register completely free and you'll be taken straight to this video so you can start watching it straight away. This is awesome. And I think the crypto panic is going to be one of the biggest crypto events in history. And it could totally change the crypto market. And this is coming in about 2 months. So yeah, register for the interview completely free. Link to the page in the description. Come to this page, enter your email, and you'll be taken straight to the video. Okay, so let's get on with today's video. So, where are we with the total global crypto market cap? We're pretty much sitting at 1 trillion, which is 4% down on yesterday. So, where are we with the crypto market? So, generally over the past 7 days, crypto's really started to recover. And the reason for the recovery is an announcement from the top software developers in the Ethereum blockchain that they are completing something called the merge. Now, if you don't know what the merge is, basically Ethereum is changing how it validates transactions on their blockchain. So basically it's moving from proof of work to proof of stake. You really need to know about that. When it changes over, Ethereum's going to become lightning fast. It's going to be able to process thousands of transactions a minute as opposed to about 15 now. Gas fees are going to be cheaper. Crucially, up to 90% of Ethereum in distribution could disappear. And also, a lot of investors are waiting for this change to happen. Once the merge completes, which is happening in and around September 19th, apparently, according to the lead software developer on Ethereum's blockchain, when this date hits, a flood of investors are going to go in, and a lot of people, including myself, think Ethereum's going to rise in price. How far? I don't know, but I don't think it's ridiculous to assume that it could go up to its old high, and it is probably going to go higher. In fact, in the future, Ethereum is probably going to be, if not the second most valuable crypto coin, but the most valuable for a whole variety of reasons. It's the largest software development platform on the blockchain, holds a lot of valuable projects, and it's probably the most useful blockchain because it holds a lot of projects that's going to change the future, the way we live in terms of decentralized finance, the metaverse, and so on and so forth. So basically that is why, in a long-winded way, that is why we saw a rebound, because the merge on Ethereum is completing or is meant to be completing on September 19th. I really gave investors encouragement to get into the crypto market. And since then, it's been on a slightly downward spiral, but it's kind of staying level. Bitcoin's been at around 21 to 22,000. And Ethereum's pretty much stayed at about $1,500 over the past week. So the question is, have we seen the bottom of the crypto market? And I'll be honest with you, I think we might have. I could end up with egg in my face and Bitcoin could go to 10 and Ethereum go to 500. But I'm not sure now. Basically, the crypto market over the past year has been basically following the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 has recovered over the past 7 days. It's actually made a recovery since mid-July. It's gone up to just below 4,000. So, yeah, I personally think the crypto market is nearly seen the bottom. I mean, it's not out of the realms of possibility that Bitcoin could dip below 20 again and hit 18. But remember, on September 19th, the merge is completing. I think the merge could be the changing point for the crypto market. This is the biggest event in crypto that's ever happened, apart from the introduction of Bitcoin. There hasn't been a bigger event or a bigger update. Ethereum's going to be transformed when this happens, and a whole load of investors not only going to be flocking to Ethereum, it's going to be flocking to other crypto coins related to Ethereum, and I think it's going to bring a lot of investors back into crypto. Could be wrong, but this is such a huge event. I think this could be the tipping point for Ethereum, and it wouldn't surprise me if this autumn, Bitcoin surges, Ethereum surges, and obviously other altcoins surge as well, just because this is a huge change. It's going to transform Ethereum. The change on Ethereum is going to have a big effect on other altcoins that are sitting on Ethereum, and just for the whole crypto market in general. So I don't think we're far from the bottom. If not, we could be near the bottom or at the bottom. So yeah, that's my personal view of the crypto market. Could be completely wrong, but I've just got that feeling that, especially with the merge around the corner and the rebound we've seen when the merge completion date was announced, I'm confident that we're pretty much at the bottom, and from now on we're going to probably be stable. But as soon as the merge comes into sight, I think a flood of investors are going to be coming back into Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other altcoins. That's just my opinion. So some very, very exciting times ahead. And this is all linked to Teeka Tiwari's crypto panic as well. But anyway, let's just do a review of the prices. So where are we with Bitcoin? We started at $21,892 for Bitcoin. Ethereum, $1,524.50. Tether's stablecoin, so is USD, so they're about the same. BNB, $255.20. Binance USD stablecoin. XRP's in $0.34. Cardano, $0.49. One thing I will note, actually, is that a lot of the major altcoins are having they're down about 5%. So Cardano's 0.49, Solana 38.84, down 5%. Doggy is 0.06, DAI stablecoin. Polkadot 7.06, Polygon 0.82. Avalanche is at 21.99, and Shiba is at 0.00011. So there we go. That is basically what's happening in the crypto market, and that is what I expect to happen. So just to recap, so I think we might be at or near the bottom. We could do below 20 again for Bitcoin, and Ethereum could approach $1,000 if we just have another dip or get a bit of bad news, or the Fed announce another interest rate hike. But I think we're there or thereabouts. With the merge, the big thing you need to understand is the merge is around the corner. It's meant to be completing in and around September the 19th. Now, that isn't set in stone, but I think the merge is going to be completed in on around that day. And when that happens, I think it could be one of the most explosive history. And Teeka Tiwari has said that the merge is going to be the most explosive event in crypto history. When it completes, it's going to transform Ethereum. It's going to make it one of the most valuable blockchains and cryptocurrencies out there. And I think it's just going to reverse the fortunes of the crypto market, which, to be honest, this year has been very, very disappointing. So yeah, that's what you need to keep your eyes on, because it's going to be huge. And just as one final thing, if you want to learn more about Teeka's crypto panic, which he thinks is going to be a buying panic, sign up for his interview. I'm going to link to his page down in the description. Just come to this page, come here, click the button, enter your name and email, or just your email, and you can register completely free, and you'll be taken straight to Tika's interview, where he's going to go in depth into crypto panic and why he thinks it's going to be one of the biggest buying panics in history and why you don't want to miss it. So there we are. That's where we are with the crypto market. All eyes, in my opinion, are on the merge. It's going to be massive. We haven't seen anything this big for a long time, and you don't want to miss out. So keep your eyes peeled. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.